If you bought a car in the last 2 years, I hope you really like it because you're definitely not getting rid of it anytime soon.
That's so funny coming from a salesman when all they were doing during COVID was telling you, oh yeah, pay over MSRP, pay over MSRP. Thank God I did not buy a car for the last 2 years. I actually just ordered a Ford Transit Connect. Special ordered it in February. It came in October. Came in, they were going to actually sell it to me at MSRP. But with the interest rates, right, everything jumping up, I looked at it, I was like, nope, I don't want to spend 10 grand in interest. I was like, what can you do in the price? They're like, nope, we're going to get 10 grand over. I said, fine. You knock off 2 grand, I'll do it. They said, nope. I said, I'm walking. I'm like, you sure? They said, yep, we're going to get 10 grand over. Now, in a minute I walk out the door, that thing's listed online, not for 10, but $7,500 over. Now it's a couple days before Christmas. That was October 2nd. It's still sitting on their lot. Now it's only $1,500 over MSRP. There was, again, I could have got it for MSRP, so that would have been, So I called them and said, hey, what deals can you make on it? They're like, nope. It's what the market wants. We're going to get $1,500 over. I said, cool. Call you guys in March. I mean, these dealerships, they are scammy, they are slimy, and they wonder why no one likes them. It's like, I call them stealerships for a reason. They're there to steal you. You're going for service, you're getting scammed. You're going to buy a car, you're going to get scammed. You have to know exactly what you're doing, and 99% of the population doesn't know what they're doing. I've been scammed so many times, it's not even funny. I don't want to know how many tens of thousands of dollars I've wasted from making mistakes. The newest thing I found out to do, don't bring your driver's license the first time you go to the dealership to look at a car. You can go through the whole finance process if you want to. And again, please go to the credit unions for a loan. Do not go through them unless they're offering a great interest rate, right? Like right now, there's some artificial interest rates that are just insane. Like the Hyundai Tucson, I keep seeing an ad for 0%, right? You're never gonna get that at a credit union, so you're gonna take that. So there's that. But I'm like, I can't wait for it. These dealerships are going to fail because they don't seem to understand. And I've been saying this for so long. They're going to die on their own sword before they figure out that people aren't going to pay these prices. Because they're going to try and scam everyone until it's too late. And I really hope they've been saving their dollars because they made all the money during COVID. But they didn't realize that COVID prices and then today's prices, they're just going to counter out and it's just going to balance itself out. So hopefully they understand that. They're going to take these massive losses over the next couple of years. Hope they understand that because you made huge gains during COVID. So I hope you know that's just going to level itself out. So I hope you didn't spend your bonuses and you were saving them because, in the next few months, and again, the rate's going to come down hopefully here. Probably going to take a year or two, right, before the rates actually drop. And when they do, it might not be a bad time to buy. And again, no one's buying right now, so these prices are just going to keep dropping. They're not going to go back up. So that's great because there's Ford, Dodge, and Chevy can't seem to stop making cars. Go to the Ford dealership, they have 150 Mach-E's. No one wants an electric car. Do they not get that? No one wants one. I own one and I can't wait to get rid of it. It's so cheap though, I don't know what to do. And I'm just going to keep it if it's cheap. But it's annoying as hell to drive. I mean, if I didn't get 0% financing and pay less than 23 grand for a brand new Bolt, I wouldn't have bought it. Oh, plus the recall, the lawsuit, I'm going to get at least $1,400 back. And then I'm hoping for a couple more grand. So that car's going to probably cost me under 20 grand to own, which is insane. And I never had to buy gas. That's the only reason I bought it. Only the reason I think people should buy electric cars is if they're dirt cheap. Not if they're expensive. Not if they're a Tesla. Not if it's an e-tron, a Porsche Taycan. I wouldn't dare touch one of those.